I just purchased this property not sight unseen. I actually had the opportunity to quickly access the inside. Today, I'm gonna take a look at it for a second time, and you are gonna be coming to some decisions with me. This one was pretty bad. I'm interested to get back in a second time and see just how bad it really is. Y'all come on. Come on. Not too good. This is a nicer sized lot, about an acre here. So on the exterior, I'm not sure right off. This roof, I may be able to do a light pressure wash and it clean up and I leave it. Pressure washing all the way around the exterior, pressure washing down the driveway. It's a spooky experience purchasing these homes sometimes and then entering them by myself. I want to show y'all what I saw when I looked in the window. It kind of spooked me out. So I came up here, I looked in the window, and I saw a face right there. I kind of jumped back when I first saw it. I'm assuming maybe they had a dog, some type of pet. This doggy door has been covered. This storage building right here is in rougher shape. Just from looking at it, it's probably definitely gonna go. Why would I get this out of here? It just doesn't fit this lot. It looks gone, I'd say. And this is a newer home. Let's look at it a little closer. Watch out for wasp. I don't know if we wanna look in there or not. I think I do wanna look in there. If we can get it open. Oh, definitely bad. Roof's gone. This will definitely be a teardown, I'd say. See, that's a skill saw. Looks like maybe this building was not built by a professional, I'd say. This deck, I know right off, this deck's gotta go. Look at that hot tub. Looks like there's a hot tub. Let's see what it looks like. I think it's probably gonna be pretty bad. Looks like a lizard. You've gotta watch out for snakes. Not too bad, I'd say, but this has gotta go. We'll get this deck out of here. I don't know if that might be resellable or not. We'll have to assess it a little further. When I first walked around the exterior of this home, I wasn't thinking I was gonna be able to get in the inside, but I ended up being able to come right in this door right here. So y'all come on in. I actually just popped the door. So I knew this house was bad when I first entered it just by the smell and what I saw right here in the kitchen. I don't know what is going on here. So today we're gonna look a little closer because when I walked through before, it was very quick. It was so quick that I didn't even make it to the master bathroom, but we're gonna look at that in just a minute. I wanna tell y'all just how bad this is. Take a look at my camera crew. They wouldn't even walk through without a mask. Here I am risking my life walking through with no mask. So this kitchen, trying to look through the nastiness. Homes like this, sometimes you just have to hold your breath and look to the end, not focus too much on the bad, because if you do, it's hard to make it to the end. These cabinets were a better quality at one point. I think they might be salvageable. We'll either recoat them with a white coat of paint or completely rip them out. Have to look a little closer. These countertops, I am not crazy about that color. I think they're gonna have to go. And all this stuff, not sure what is going on here. Trash left. I need some gloves and a mask. Now the fridge. On some of the previous homes I've walked through, I forgot to open the fridge. I think I'm gonna open this one. I'm a little bit scared. Y'all watch out. Oh my goodness. It smells horrible. Let's get on to the rest of the house. We gotta move on through. Living area, there's that face that got me when I looked through the window. Fish tank. A lot of bags of trash. Hair on the floor. I'm not sure if somebody got a haircut there. I don't know if that's from a haircut. What is that? I am not sure. This house is pretty bad, I'd say. So I made it back to right here. The first time I entered, I was looking quick. I didn't even go any further. I was a little bit spooked out. I see some spider webs. This is disgusting. I don't smell much of a pet odor, but I think it's because the pets haven't been here in some time, but it's obvious there was pets here because I see, it looks like dog hair or something throughout. I'd say this is borderline hoarder house or hoarder house. Oh man, I'm in a web, I didn't even realize it. This one is pretty bad. Keep getting on that web. I see there's a tanning bed over here. This is really bad. One of the worst I think I've seen, at least recently. Knock, knock. Sometimes when I come into a dark place like this and I see stuff everywhere, sometimes I feel like I'm gonna see a dead body. Knock, knock. Man, this is bad. Take a look in there. This is one of those, I'm trying to move quick, but I keep getting caught up on what I'm seeing. Normally I like to convert one of these to a double vanity, so we'll get this out of here. We might be able to salvage these cabinets, I'm not sure. Sometimes when there's so much junk and trash in a house like this, you just have to get everything out and come back a second time and then assess what you're gonna do. Because it's hard to look through everything here. That is a nicer tub. I don't know if that can be cleaned or not. I have to get all this out of here and assess it further. So this bedroom, oh my goodness. What is all of this? There definitely had to be pets here, dogs, cats. Yeah, I see right here, it looks like that was clawed. That's probably from a cat. Overall, this bedroom is not too bad from what I can see, with the exception of all this trash in here. This home is on a slab, so that's a positive considering how disgusting this carpet is. Looks like they already tore the carpet out right here. Look at this carpet right here. Oh my goodness. Looks like some type of feces right here. Yep, more feces. I'm not sure what that is. This room, with the exception of the nastiness, I don't see anything major structurally on the ceiling, the walls. Look at all that goodness. One of those homes you just have to hold your breath as you're walking through and see the finish line. This bathroom here, guest bath, a lot of cobwebs. It's not normal that you see spider webs like this. This vanity, I'm not sure if that is keepable. Now this tub is not too bad once it's cleaned, I don't think. We'll have to assess that further. I think we've seen it all. This one is a little worse than what I saw when I first walked through. That master bathroom was about the worst. And I think I know why I didn't go any further when I made it to that master bedroom. When I saw the master bedroom, I was a little bit concerned what I might see if I turned the corner and went into that bathroom, especially being by myself. I want to just completely get rid of all this, but I really have got to clean this place up and come back, and then I feel I can make a better judgment, because what I'm seeing right now, I just want to gut everything. But I know that's not going to be best for the budget. Overall, this one was pretty bad. It's one of the worst that I have seen. This is one of those that after you walk through and you come back out, you feel like you need to take a shower, and I mean that. So I'll have my guys come in, completely clean the house. Once it's cleaned out, I'll come back and then make another assessment on what exactly we do. Right off, we'll assess the roof, we'll pressure wash all the way around, we'll repaint or replace those cabinets in the kitchen, all new floor, all new paint, new bathrooms, tear off the back deck, remove the storage building, and we'll be right back on the market soon, hopefully with a brand new home. I usually categorize my flips. I would consider this a light flip. With all the trash and the nastiness that's here, it might take a little longer than what I would normally be at on a light flip, which is 30 days. I hope to have this property back on the market within 30 days, but we'll see just how it goes, getting all of this cleaned up on the inside.